Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle on my natural hair. So if you're interested, continue watching. Hey honeys, so I've been receiving a lot of compliments on my natural hair, especially when I'm doing my hairstyles with weave. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick and easy hairstyle I did on my natural hair. So this is how my hair looks without blow drying. It's just air dried. It was washed. So I'm going in with my Dax and my BioSilk, and I'm just going to spread it all over my hair. I did put in a leave-in conditioner before it all dried up, but yeah, this is how it's looking. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer and blow dry it until it is straight. So this is how my hair looks, half blow dried, half air dried. You want to see how straight that is. I probably didn't even need to go ahead and flat iron my hair, but I am going to use my flat iron and just straighten my hair a bit. I'm going in big sections as well because I didn't want my hair to be too straight. So you'll see me do that now. And the flat iron that I use is the Babyliss Pro. It's a nano titanium 3000, just in case you guys are wondering. So once my hair is flat ironed, I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear as if I was doing a half up, half down. And my ponytail is going to be low, so you are going to see that I'm parting it pretty low. But we're going to be doing a half up, half down with that part in the middle. It's like a trending hairstyle. If you know, you know. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I just parted it in half, and then I'm going to put away the back portion and work with the front first. So first I'm going to make a part in the middle. And once I've created my middle part, I am going to make a part going down towards my ear. And you can make this section as big or small as you want, but the hairstyle obviously has this section. So you see me parting it down towards my ear. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. And these two sections at the front are going to be slicked down, so I'm going to put that away for now, and then I'm going to do my ponytail. So the middle section is where my ponytail is going to be. I will be using my Paris hair wax stick just to slick my hair up. It's already straight, so I'm not going to use gel or anything like that. I just wanted to do a quick natural hairstyle. So I'm going to go in with my wax stick, spread it all over the ponytail portion. I'm going to comb it through, and then of course use my hair tie and put it in a ponytail. So once I've created my ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the back, make sure it's looking good. And then I'm gonna put away both sections and work with these two pieces at the front. So I'm going to be parting out my sideburns, and then I'm gonna be doing the front portion in sections. So as you've seen, I parted out the first section. I'm going back in with my wax stick and I'm gonna comb it through and bring it towards the back of my head. And I parted it in about 3 sections and did the same thing. And once I've slicked everything down and combed it through, I am just going to put it away towards the back and do the same thing on the opposite side. Alright, so once both sides are slicked down, I'm just going to put it together at the back with my small black elastic bands, and I'm just going to tie it at the back of my head, and that's how I'm going to get it to stay in place. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cover my band. So I just used a small piece and I just wrapped it around my band and went in with my got2b free spray and sprayed it, and then of course dried it, that way it could stay in place. Once that's done, the hairstyle is basically finished. You can decide if you want to leave it straight or curl it, anything like that. My hair was actually reverting by this point, so I'm just going to quickly go ahead and use some stiff spray. This was the 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐾 holding spray, and I'm going to go and flip my ends. So I just wanted to give it a little different look. I normally just wear my hair straight, but I wanted to try something different, so I decided to flip the ends, and I thought it turned out really cute. So that's what you see me doing now. I just did a little flip at the ends, and I also flipped the ends of the ponytail as well. All right, so once my ends are flipped, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my sideburns, and I'm going to be using my Edge Booster Edge Control to just slick down my sideburns, as you can see. And once that's done, I'm just going in with my fingers and I'm combing through the curls just to loosen it up. And now I'm going in with my gloss spray from Argan Oil, and of course my olive oil sheen that I love to use once I'm done my hairstyles. So guys, this is basically how it looks. It's like a cute natural hairstyle. It's simple, but it is so cute, guys. I see this hairstyle literally everywhere, from Instagram to TikTok, YouTube itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial I decided to give you guys with my natural hair, something cute and simple. So I'm going to take off my cape, show you guys how to look in. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys were able to learn something. If you guys did want to try out this style, this is how it's done, guys. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you are new here and you are not already subscribed, make sure you are following me on Instagram at Paris Hair, and that's Paris with 2 eyes, and also on my main account at nae.simone. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Also make sure to comment down below and let me know if you guys enjoy the natural hairstyles, because I could bring a lot more. So bye guys.